What's going on, DMZ TV? It's your favorite Italian, Nick. And today I have with me my co-host,
your favorite brown guy, Zane. And today on DMZ we're going to introduce... Nick, where are the orange stuff?
Orange stuff?
Yeah, the stuff you're supposed to grab.
Oh, I'll be right back with that.
No, not those.
No?
Those are orange boxes.
Oh.
Today on DMZ we're going to introduce Le Orange.
Le Orange. And on today's episode is brought to you by Le Orange, or Le Orange, if you want to get French with it. Oh, oui, oui. And shout out to Mo for supplying us with these coals today.
Yeah, Mo, it's really nice meeting you. Super nice guy. Thanks for dropping some off at Hookahs Boca and sending some here to us at DMZ. We've been using them for about, what, 2.5 weeks now?
Yeah, I would say roughly about 2.5 weeks or so. But let's get started with today's show.
Let's do it. Alright, so here we have the 3 boxes of coals provided to us by Mo at Le Orange. They're all natural coconut shell coals.
Yeah, no quick lights up in here.
Exactly.
None of that gunpowder-ish.
So we have 3 different sizes here. That one's the regular cube, which measures at 25 millimeters. Then you have the cubettes, which measure in at 22 millimeters. And then you have the Lotus head coals, which are 3 of them fit perfectly inside a heat management device. And as you can see, we have these coals lighting up right here. We have the vortex system going, that way the heat goes through the coals instead of around them.
Science.
And then, ready to smoke?
Oh yeah, I've been waiting.
Let's try these out.
Alright, coals are nice and hot and on top of the bowls. The bowls are packed and ready to go. Zane, are you ready to smoke?
Let's do it.
Oh, wait. Before we smoke, gotta have the orange juice. Yeah.
Remember, stay hydrated when you're smoking hookah. Cheers to that.
Amen.
Let's try it.
Oh yeah.
So these coals, the Lotus ones, perfect for heat management devices. My 2 weeks of smoking with them, they last you about an hour for a solid nice session. If you want to smoke more after that, obviously you can. But for a solid session of an hour or so, 1 set of 3 coals works perfectly. The cubettes with heat management are a little low heat, but with traditional foil, they work perfectly fine.
Yeah, they're smoking real nice. With the small ones, I think they're perfect for these, small funnel bowl types of the foil. It's not overheating it at all. It's prime time.
They're good coals. They're good coals. One more hit?
Yeah.
Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this quick introduction to Le Orange coals. They're actually local to us, they're from down in Miami. And big shout out to Mo, thank you again for sending these boxes over to us, we really appreciate that.
That's right, thank you Mo. Now don't forget to smash that like button.
Hit that subscribe button.
And ring the little bell up top for future episodes posted by DMZ TV to stay updated with us. Now, this is DMZ TV, my name's Nick, your favorite Italian.
And I'm Zane, your favorite brown guy.
DMZ, we're out. And we're back again with DMZ TV. It's your favorite Italian Nick. And today I have with me, lip poke.
Nobody really
lip poke.
You usually just
Get low to the windows. Let's smoke. Let's smoke. How you doing, in? Time for the Cold War report.